You will achieve your marketing goals through honest resource assessment. You will learn this in 3 minutes. Good day, everybody. Thanks for joining in. If you've seen the first video, it covers the initial steps and some of the actions around marketing your practice. If anything comes up that you want further information on, do not hesitate to get in touch. There are many ways, not least via module leader Ms Lucy Blunden. These are some of the items we covered in the first session. In this clip, resources. As you look at this, I want you to consider there is a herbalist in the waiting room here. And I want you to try and think about what it might be. A resource that once spent cannot be restored. Because all of this is well and good, and you will all have your own unique starting points. You will all be at a different place in the journey. The most valuable, the herbalist in the waiting room, the biggest, most important resource that is not listed here, irrecoverable, your time is the most precious of all. You will need to be as observant of your time as you are of every penny and every person. We will look at this in a coming clip. There are existing clips that I will point you to. Do review them. Obviously, you need capital, you need equipment, you need an online presence, and most of all, you need people. One can easily take the view that the financial resources are the most important. However, it is the people. Who is on your team? Are you the team? What does each player in your team bring? And indeed, if that is solely yourself, how will you divide your time accordingly? Your resource analysis will have to take into account your goals, and you will identify gaps and indeed analyze those gaps, how to fill them if you feel they need filling, if they must be filled in order to reach goals, or if goals must be changed to accommodate the gaps. For your practice, your relationship with your peers, be they social or professional, is something that you should draw upon. It's being in person, being person to person, being physically in the same space, talking. This is something that digital does replicate, but picking up the phone and speaking to someone, going to a dinner, attending a group networking session. Of course, this has always been in play. It still is in play and always shall be in play. For further detail on anything you need information on, I have many resources I shall point you to. As I say, get in touch. If you don't want to use the comments below, you can get hold of me in many ways, not least via module leader Ms Lucy Blunden. Hello, hello.